My Collection. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the My Collection feature of the archive. The My Collection feature offers a handy, fast and convenient way to store your research for a short period of time. However, for long-term storage, please download your results to your local hard drive. To save pages to the My Collection area, follow these steps. Each result has an option to Save to the collection, represented by a star and text. Add to My Collection. You can also save information and liked articles to My Collection by using the star in the top left corner of the article view. When I click the star, it adds or pins the information to My Collection. To view My Collection, select My Collection on the top right of the screen. To open the result, click on the title. This will open the article. To view the page, click on the page. To remove information from the My Collection area, simply click My Collection and use the X mark on the top left corner of the thumbnail. This will remove the information. This is how to use the My Collection feature within Irish Newspaper Archives. Please view our additional videos for more information. Thank you.